Hello guys. So today in this video we are going to solve a problem from a special function. As you can see the problem, if 1 by 1 minus t to the power minus x t by 1 minus t is equals to this, then ln prime of 0 will be. So I think all of you are aware about this ln. ln is here Laguerre function or Laguerre polynomial, I can say. So let us solve this problem. This is a very important problem. I hope most of you are quite well known about this relation. This is kind of general generating function. Okay, so let's discuss the solution. First of all, what is given to us? We are writing it here. Okay, so it is given 1 by 1 minus t to the power minus x into t by 1 minus t. This is equals to n equals to 0 to infinity ln of x t to the power n. This is given to us. Okay, so we have to find out ln prime of 0. This one you need to find out. So what you're going to do, you see this is ln x. So if you can find out ln prime of x, and if you put x is equals to 0 later on that expression, then we can easily find out this ln prime of 0. So let's name this equation as equation 1. And what you do, you take differentiation of equation 1 with respect to x, obviously, because you can see ln is a function of x. So if you take the differentiation, you get 1 by 1 minus t by 1 minus t exponential minus xt by 1 minus t, and what will be there on the right hand side, ln prime of x t to the power n. Till now there is no confusion, so let's name this equation 2. Once we get this expression of ln prime, we can just put x is equals to 0. Put x equals to 0 in equation 2. So you put x is equals to 0 in equation 2, what are you getting? Minus t upon 1 minus t whole square. This is equals to n is equals to 0 to infinity ln prime of 0 t to the power n. That's it. So we can write it minus t into 1 minus t n is equals to 0 to infinity ln prime of 0 t to the power n. As simple as that. It's going smoothly. I think no one has any confusion. If you have any confusion, you can just write it on the comment section. This will be 1 plus 2t plus 3t square and so on. This is gonna be then it equals to 0 to infinity ln prime of 0 t to the power n. So let's calculate this. This is minus t minus 2t square. Okay, before we go to this, let's try to write the general term here. Okay, let's write the general term here. How will you write? So it will go on like this. You can see 3 and here power is 2. So if I write n, then what will be the power of t? It will be n minus 1. If I write it n plus 1, the power of t will be n, and so on, and that is for generating n is equals to 0 to infinity ln prime of 0 t to the power n. So minus t minus 2t square minus 3t cube and so on. So you can see this term becomes ये तो प्लस क्यों होगा या माइनस होगा सारे. These all the terms will be minus, so on, minus n t to the power n minus 1 plus 1, it's n, and minus n plus 1 will become t to the power n plus 1. That's not important here, although I have written the term for you, ln prime of 0 t to the power n. So if you want to know ln prime of 0, what you can do, you can just compare the coefficient of t to the power n, right? Compare the coefficient of t to the power n. So if you compare the coefficient of t to the power n, you can see it is minus n. So ln prime of 0 is equals to minus n. And see the options, it is matching with option D. So option D is the correct option for this question. I hope all of you have understood this problem. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. Before I end the video, you can let me just tell you guys, you can follow me on unacademy to get free live classes and many other things. You can join unacademy today using our referral code PhysicsR. You can have a look at my courses by visiting this URL https:/unacademy.com/physicsR, and you will get all the detailed course on mathematical, almost all the detailed course on mathematical physics, classical mechanics, EMT, quantum, and many others. You can see in this picture, and a lot of benefits are there of taking an Academy Plus subscription. It includes daily live classes, part length and full length tests, assignments, and many other things. Purpose structured course, cover whole syllabus, and you can just pause and read all of these benefits. And guys, this special offer is going on. Achieve your CSIR-NET goal with 20% off on all subscription. This offer is valid between 25th and 28th April. You can utilize our referral code PhysicsR for getting the maximum benefits. Okay, so you can get it in at this discounted price if you take it by 28th. So thank you very much, guys. And you can also join our Telegram group. You can search this ID PhysicsR1, and you can join our Telegram group. Thank you very much, guys, for this. For watching this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.